Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by validating prerequisites so nothing blocks the fix. First, make sure you are signed into the correct Google account and that your payment method is added and verified. This avoids auth conflicts. Once done, check your phone's OS and Google Pay app versions and update if needed, because outdated software causes many errors. Next, confirm you have an active internet connection, Wi-Fi or mobile data, and that airplane mode is disabled, since Google Pay needs online validation to process changes. Now you dive into the detailed fixes that resolve the common middle case failures. Clear the Google Pay cache and, if necessary, app data, then force stop and reopen, because corrupted cache often causes the "something went wrong" message. Make sure NFC is enabled, that Google Pay is set as the default tap-to-pay app, and that your device has a secure lock screen. These are required for tokenized payments. If errors persist, remove the card, wait a minute, and re-add it with fresh authentication from your bank. Finish by validating the repair and applying one final cleanup. Reboot your phone to ensure system services reload, then test with a low-value transaction or the app's card check function so you don't risk a failed purchase. Make sure your device date and time are accurate. Incorrect clock causes token validation to fail, and verify Google Play services is enabled. If the problem remains, capture any error codes and contact your bank first. Then Google Pay support. That sequence speeds resolution and prevents duplicate.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.